What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds, and today we are back on my 28 Model A Coupe, and I will be putting in my door latch, which is over here. So this is what we're working with. As you guys know, the other one was a pain in the butt to get out, but we got a new one when we went to Clyde's house. So I will be putting this in. The other side is a bit, don't mind the baby monitors, a bit messed up, so we're gonna have to rebuild this, but still really cool to be able to do that. And this obviously is new for me. So once that's on and we fix this, then we'll take care of this stuff. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be inserting clips. We went to a car show last night put on by the Connecticut Street Route Association. We went to their show last night, and I just wanted to add a few clips at the end so you guys could see some of my favorite cars, some friends, and it was just a really great time. They did an amazing job. Tons of cars, so stay tuned. End of this video, check out the cars. Let's get right into it. All right, so to get this in, if you don't know, when I put it in, I have to get this tucked in on the inside. This has to be tucked, pretty much everything has to be tucked in. And then this has to be, I believe, yeah, in the back so that it can move. Yeah, so it can actually move inside here. It is so hot out, guys. I feel like summertime just came and here we go. But yeah, I will just put it in here, do this, and just continue this little process. Something that, you know, should probably take, I don't even know, 4 seconds is probably gonna take me 40 years. That's just the way it goes around here, though. I got it in easy. It's just this little piece now that I'm trying to like slip it in. Keeps like legitimately slipping. And I guess I can pull it out a bit. Oh my God. Wonder if I could just use my fingers. Fuck. Okay, so now that that's in, after that silly little thing in there, oh, I'll show ya. Now I can just screw it in and then put the handle on. Oh, son of a biscuit. Da-da-da. I know you guys are cringing watching me do this. It's so slow. So slow, it's so wonky. That's okay. She is still doing it, people. It's in spot, but how do I get it in more?
Okay. They are. Clean them off.
They're big, huh?
Yeah, I don't know why it's so long.
It's a bit excessive.
Manufacturer probably ordered the wrong size. And was like, oh well, they don't hit nothing, so. Don't go too tight because you're going to take it on there. Paint, but. Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
See, they put that. Is it just the top one? Let's make sure. Stick it out.
The bottom one's fine. I just put the screws on, and like you said, I was trying to turn it, but it wasn't turning because I was like, these screws are pretty large and it was hitting in here. So the screw has to be cut because the door handle won't work. So we'll cut that, screw it in, and then it should be good to go. I got this stuff sent to me like a while back randomly in the mail, and Travis has been using a little bit. I've never used it before. It's called Gear Hooker. It's like eco-friendly, I don't know, but I'm gonna use this. We put it back in and now it should be good to go. It's still like a little tough to turn it, so I'm thinking at this, and then it should help it a little bit. So I don't know, not sponsored or whatever, but give it a little shout out because they sent it to me. So what the heck, right? You know me, I love to go crazy with the spray, so I'm trying to take a chill pill over here. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Look at this, guys. I am painting the car, but so it will have to get taken off down the road, but da-da-da-da. Look at that. So I always say, even a tiny bit of time outside, you can get something accomplished. Before I can actually shut the door now, I just have to put these in. We also got this from my Model A haul. I think that's like when I said a bunch of small pieces. This was like an example of the small piece. So I'll stick that in and then let's shut the door. How funny. That's such an exciting thing to do on a YouTube channel. Let's shut a door, people. Like, woo! So that's in, and now we'll do a little testy door shut. So it's still just shutting on the body because if you step into my car, it is not lined up still. So if you notice, like, the holes and stuff, so we need to get the wood in to put this together or squish it back together and then align it all like this. So once that's together, it should be good. That is in there, but still, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it. The door, for like the 1 hour I have in the shop today, I mean, oh, now it's not shutting at all. Oh my lord, now it's not even shutting at all. There we go. But yeah, not too bad. But that's it for that. It's on. We still have to get the wood and adjust a bunch of stuff to make it work. But I'm still happy, used the time I had and got at least something done, right? So that's good. Now I'm gonna put in the clips from the car show. It was in dedication to Jim Barilaro. It was, again, a really great show. Ron and Laura San Giovanni. It was their car club and we're tight with them. Their goals, their hot rod goals. I don't know, we think super highly of them. So enjoy those clips from the show, some of our favorites, just a little bit here and there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys next time. I'm not gonna touch the car. Look at that. No touching. Nope.
That's a cool pedal car.
Don't touch it.
It's a real car.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. How cute is that?
It's the That's a real car?
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
It's not a police car, no.
What is it?
It's like a race car.
There he is.
Go with Dad.
Yeah, like mine. I go, no, it's not a plastic one. This is a real one.
I love you.
Can't forget about the old girl. I could do like
Yeah, you like.
Jimmy Barrelero built this. Even what's his face there? Fucking standard bar.
a reel as well. Look what I found in the wild.
She's the best. I'm telling you. The hell with the rest. Okay,
You hear
this
that?
girl,
First,
this
people.
girl can weld, heliarc, metal, and everything. Okay.
And look at that, in
Yeah.
the wild, Kelly
And
builds.
And women are usually better than men at it.
That's it.
You go, girl. Am I gonna be on?
You're gonna be on it.
Love it.
I just got a notification, recording stopped. No, I just opened it pretty much.
Well, I just saw Mike up right by the stand was. I came down in the car.
Waylon? Yes? Stay over here. Hey! Say hi!
How you doing?
Oh, Beanie, can't see him. Look at it, we got a VIP little excursion with an ice cream cone.
That's it.
I need to get my ice cream cone. The baby's not having it.
Not too
Oh.
excited. That's all right.
This is a beautiful night.
Yeah, Jeff Bonner called because I told Jeff about it. I said, hey, you should like pick that thing up probably.
Yeah.
Because I can't get like that long roof line just doesn't do it for me.
This used dinosaur.